the grammar of AMARI. The grammar of AMARI actually they use in hiragana as you see here. And the AMARI meaning is had the meaning so much that, so much that, something. So you can say so much something that. So how to use the grammar of AMARI? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of AMARI, before you should use the verb, the first in the dictionary form, and the second is casual or past tense form. And if you use noun with AMARI, you should put no in between the noun and AMARI as you see here. So you have to remember when you use the grammar of AMARI, it has the three patterns. First is verb in dictionary form, and the second is casual or past tense, and the third is noun. When you use noun with AMARI, you should put no between the noun and the AMARI. So let's go to see some example of how to use the grammar of AMARI. 嬉しさのあまり彼女は涙を流しました。嬉しさのあまり彼女は涙を流しました。Which means she was so happy that she cried. She was so happy that she cried. An example. 父は娘を心配するあまり倒れてしまった。父は娘を心配するあまり倒れてしまった。Which means the father was so overcome with worry for his daughter that he collapsed. The father was so overcome with worry for his daughter that he collapsed. You will see that for the first sentence, when they use with the AMARI, when they use the adjective 嬉しさ is if you use 嬉しさ that means if you just say 嬉しい that means happy and is the adjective but you put さ is mean noun. So between noun and AMARI should put the no between. So you will see that 嬉しさのあまり. And for the second sentence, you will see 心配するあまり. So when you use the word 心配, that when you use the AMARI should by dictionary form, which means する、心配するあまり. The next example, しばらくは心配のあまり眠れない夜が続きました。しばらくは心配のあまり眠れない夜が続きました。Which means I was so worried and unable to sleep for a while. I was so worried and unable to sleep for a while. The next example, 喜びのあまり万歳と叫びたい思いだった。喜びのあまり万歳と叫びたい思いだった。Which means I was so happy I want to scream with joy. I was so happy I want to scream. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。